Today I'm bringing you a gourmet twist on a Caribbean favorite, jerk salmon with pineapple salsa, pineapple jerk sauce, and coconut rice. This dish is bursting with bold tropical flavors. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste. Let's talk about what makes this dish next level delicious. First up, the star of the show, fresh flaky salmon ready to soak up all those bold jerk spices. Half teaspoon lemon pepper, half teaspoon smoked paprika and ground allspice. A little twist here with quarter teaspoon cinnamon, as well as 1 tablespoon honey, which is optional, 2 tablespoon jerk seasoning, 2 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tablespoon Maggi all-purpose seasoning, as well as 1 teaspoon onion and garlic powder. To flavor the rice, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of rice, as well as about 1/4 cup coconut flakes and 1/4 cup coconut milk powder and 2 tablespoon butter. For the pineapple salsa, we're using 2 tablespoons cilantro, 1 tablespoon honey, about half of a lime, as well as 1 cup pineapple, half bell pepper, and 1/4 red onion. For the jerk pineapple sauce, we're using 3/4 cups of pineapple juice, half teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, 1 tablespoon ketchup for the thickening, 1 tablespoon honey, and a teaspoon of soy sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Alright, now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to get the cooking, guys. And we're kicking things off by cleaning our salmon. Now, they were already scaled, some of them have skin on, some don't, but we're just going to clean these with some lemon to get them nice, fresh, and flavorful. Alright, up next it's time to combine all our marinade ingredients together. Rice, all those spices that I showed you earlier, we're combining them, giving it a nice mix. Alright, so we can fully incorporate all of those different elements. Up next, we're pat drying these salmon pieces because we need our salmon to be nice and flavorful. Up next, into this jerk marinade they will go. We're coating them generously. Alright, and then we'll allow them to marinate for about 20 to 35 minutes thereabout. Alright, few more pieces, get it nicely coated, guys. Alright, and by the time you know it, it's gonna be time to get them soaking. Alright, and there we are. Now to soaking they go while we prep our ingredients for the pineapple salsa, right? Because we need to do this as well so that it will have time for all those components to combine together. What we're doing here is just to peel the pineapple, and in Jamaica we would say we're removing the eyes. Now, allowing the salsa to marinate enhances its flavor by letting the ingredients meld together, right? Now, it deepens the flavor, it balances the heat and the acidity, softens the texture, and also juicier and more vibrant taste. Now, for this jerk salmon, a well marinated salsa will complement the bold smoky jerk seasoning beautifully. Alright, now this look just about the 1 cup that we need, so to the bowl they go while we go ahead and also prep our red bell pepper. Now, can you just imagine the beautiful color and also the contrast with the flavors? Oh my goodness, guys. Make yourself some salsa. Up next is the onion. Now we're just using 1/4 of this red onion. Alright, and there we go, dicing it, cutting it into small pieces there as well. It will also join the party. And up next, we are going to add our fresh cilantro. Now, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro is adequate. Alright, and next, using our reamer to release the juices from our lime to tie it all together. The sweetness, the tanginess. Oh my gosh, with that extra honey, chef kiss, I tell you. Alright, so we're just combining here. Until the cooler it goes so that it can meld together and taste so beautiful. Alright, now while that is melding or marinating, we're going to go ahead and sear the salmon with the skin on. Okay, now if you aren't using honey, you could sear your other pieces of salmon just for a beautiful finish as well, but please remember that it will caramelize very quickly, because if you use honey, it's gonna caramelize real fast. All right, now that we get our skin nice and crispy, we're going to remove these and to the baking tray they'll go, guys, and we'll bake these for about 12 to 13 minutes or until they hit 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now while our salmon is going, we are getting our rice nice and ready. So to this saucepan we have added water as well as coconut flakes and some salt. Now I was supposed to add some coconut oil, but I forgot, guys. So you can add coconut oil to yours. We did went in there with some butter as well as some coconut milk powder. All right, now we're going to bring this to a boil. While that is coming to a boil, we're checking on our salmon to see how they're looking, and they're looking good so far. Oh my goodness. Now our coconut goodness came to a boil and we're just adding the rice. All right, so when you add your rice, you should see it visible there. If you don't, you have too much water, guys. You have too much water. Now while we reduce that flame, we're going to go ahead and work on our sauce. Oh yeah, so in with the pineapple juice, some garlic clove, that jerk seasoning, that tomato paste, grated ginger, that soy sauce. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this right now, because this sauce, a little honey too, is clocking all the teas, guys. Oh yeah. All right, and after a few minutes of reducing, this is what it is looking like. It is nice and ready, the perfect consistency that we need. And look at that, our rice is ready as well, giving it a nice little fluff. And I know you know what time it is, right? Oh yeah, it's time to serve up a plate. Now if you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gourmet meals, right? Let me know in the comments, would you try this for Valentine's Day? And there you have it, guys. Look at that beautiful salsa. The ultimate jerk salmon with a pineapple salsa, pineapple jerk sauce, and coconut rice. And we're just giving it some final touches there. Just look at that shard salmon, shard in the oven, right? The vibrant salsa and the rich glossy sauce, all paired with creamy coconut rice, an explosion of flavors in every bite. This is the kind of meal that turns an ordinary night into something special. So who's ready to dig in? Make sure to subscribe for more incredible recipes, and see you in the next one. Love you all, and thanks for cooking with me today. Enjoy. Oh, before I go, linked down below are links to my other YouTube channels, so you can click on the links, subscribe, check them out. Okay, all right, toodles.